Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. I am laughing because I am going to attempt a sultry, sexy look for today. And it's pretty much, it's like, can you stay on track and at least create that? So that is why I'm laughing. Before I start my video, I want to give you food for thought. I am back with the Complete Pocket Positives book. If you have followed me for a long time, you know I pull quotes from that all the time, and I have my marker where I have stopped, so I'm going to start from there. And for today it says, sometimes the only way for me to find out what it is I want to do is go ahead and do something. Then the moment I start to act, my feelings become clear. This is just to inspire you, motivate you, help you along your way. I hope that this will encourage you to do something. Sometimes the only way for me to find out what it is I want to do is go ahead and do something. Do something you love. Do something you've been dreaming of. Do something and see what the outcome is. And the continuation of this is, then the moment I start to act, my feelings become clear. That was Hugh Prather, an American writer. That's his quote. So today, do something and see where it will take you. I'm going to do a sultry look, so I'd appreciate if you keep watching, and I hope you do consider subscribing. I am ready for a sultry look. Let's see what I can create. Pull your palettes out and let us have some makeup fun. I am using the 35MI Magic Mirror by MORPHE. These are the names here, no mirror, and these are all the shades. They are very, very pretty. The sultry look I'm going to create right now was requested by one of my subscribers. So sis, this is for you. I am going to work on this section of the palette for the sultry, sexy 57 look. Let's have some fun. Let's laugh today. I hope that you did something today in your life that will bring you some joy and happiness. We start. Let's have some fun. Makeup fun. There is a gray. I will try this. Let's see. I am just going to put it. I don't have no particular place I want to put it, so I do believe I'll put it everywhere as a base for my eyes. And I will just keep patting on it and share it out as I go higher up on my eyes, hopefully all the way to the brow bone. But no more product on the brush, just sharing what is already there so I can create this sultry look that was requested. Do share my videos. So far this is what we're looking like. You know, I don't stay with one color and I don't stay blah. We are going to do the second eye. This is the amount I have on there. And as usual, I'm just going to put it everywhere today on this eye. And then I'll just share it out. It is a gray and it looks a little bluish gray in the pan, but it's coming out gray on my eyes. It is a cool tone gray. So that is good for me. Doesn't matter whether it's cool or warm, I just love eyeshadows, makeup, the whole 9 yards. Back to the quote that I read in the beginning. If you are still here, I appreciate it very much. Now I need something to do a little dark. I'm gonna use the same brush. I need a little darker in the outer corner. I will try this color right here. Let's see if I will get what I'm looking for. I think I am getting what I'm looking for. Just a little bit of that for depth. You see this? Because I like you to see what I'm doing so you can practice at home and do it for your eye shape. So I put a little bit of dark right here in the outer corner. So it's darker than the gray if you notice. And I'm just going to do that. The birds are singing outside. They are talking to each other. Nature is just beautiful when it's quiet, you know, because nature can become very destructive with rain, snow, wind. So when it's nice and quiet, it's good. This black right here has a little shimmer. It's like a black gray with little shimmer in it. I'm going to try that. In the outer corner, I need something else in the outer corner. So I'm using a very tiny brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to just go right here. I'm concentrating everything right here. And I'm just brushing it in very lightly. If you look, it's my right has it so far, will be your left. And this is my left and it doesn't have any yet. Can you see the difference? Left, right. Remember to do something today, something that will bring you joy. Do something, less procrastination today and get something done. If you procrastinate less, you will get more done. Now I'm taking the fluffy brush I used in the beginning and I am just going to blend this way. Now that I've packed all the different shades of gray and black, I am just going to blend it out before I put my shimmer. You know I love a shimmer. You know I love a shimmer. I'm going to use my sticky primer from Makeup Revolution. I'm just taking another brush, taking it out of there. I'm going to take this first shimmer, this one right here, and put it on. Let's see, I'm gonna try with the brush first, and if that don't work, then I will use my fingers. I try to show different ways to use your brushes or your fingers. So I try to mix it up so you can see. I just want you to know that you are loved on this channel. Whether you're a viewer or a subscriber, you are loved here. Now this is what it looks like with the brush, but you know, I'm an artist, okay, so I gotta go in with my finger and make things better for me. I just have to, because I can work magic with my fingers. And you'll see what I'm trying to tell you. My finger, the brush. I'm gonna change that. Now there's another shimmer in there I think I need to use. It's this one right here. It's like a taupey shimmer. I'm going to try that. Yep, it is. This is what it looks like. This is the first one. This is the second one. I'm going to put the second one right here. I am going into the black with the little shimmer, and I'm going this way. I'm just sweeping it across. My sultry eye look using this is so funny over here. I am loving this. I'm over here loving this. Thank you, sis, for the idea of doing a sultry eye look. Tell me if I got the sultry eye look down with the lips. Am I sultry enough? Am I sultry enough? Am I? And I even put a brooch right here. I put a brooch right here. I mean, tell me what you think. Am I sultry enough? Sultry eye look. Sultry eye look using the Morphe 35M Magic Mirror Eyeshadow Palette. This is it right here. This is what I use to create the look. I use mostly everything on this side, and I venture in a few of these colors here just to give me a little bit of depth. And the lips is just a combination of shimmers from in here. For my blush, I am using this blush right here and this highlighter right here from the Morphe palette. It is 8D and it is called Deep Glam. If you get your hands on this, pick it up. So my sultry look, I can be this. Boom, sultry, sultry, sultry. Oh, I can move my hair on one side and be all glam and sexy. Glam and sexy. I hope you like what I have created as a sultry look. Please subscribe and share this video. I am here on YouTube enjoying my time and also trying to empower you. No matter what age you are, what is your skin tone? If you have lines or wrinkles, folds like my eyes, I have folds. I have very fine lines under my eyes. I am 57. Don't let any of that stop you from playing in your makeup. If you have makeup palettes, pull them out. Have some fun. You don't have to go anywhere with them. Just play with them, and when you're done, wash your face and enjoy the rest of your day. Life is short. Do something today to bring you joy. I am loving this look. I am feeling myself. I am really loving the lips. The lips are gorgeous. First I was like, I don't like it, but it's growing on me. I like it. I like it. I'll be in this look all day long. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Love yourself plenty. Never give up on self. Keep rising, and I will see you in the next video. It might be sultry, it might be sexy. I don't know. I don't know yet. So for now, I will say have a fabulous, fantastic day.